All About Smart Manufacturing, written by Mike Nager and read by Elissa D.
Hello, boys and girls. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Miss Elissa, and I have a wonderful story for you. But before we get to that story, I want you to take a look around. Tell me what you see. Do you see a book, maybe a toy, a couch, or a chair? Chances are, if you're inside, everything you see was manufactured. Manufactured is a very big word, and it basically just means to make things. It's taking the ideas that are inside your head and building them or making them real, something that you can see, something that you can touch. And today's book, called All About Smart Manufacturing, and it's all about just that, manufacturing. But I'm already wondering, what makes manufacturing smart? And so today, as we read, I want you to think about that. You ready to get started? Let's go.
Who is sitting on the couch? It's our friend Jada. She is on her parents' Wi-Fi so she can save their data. Jada starts to wonder, how are all these things made? Things like the sofa, chair, and rug, my phone, or the window shade. A house is a home for people, for the stuff they keep in drawers. Where did it all come from? Jada knows. It's the local store. Then Jada begins to wonder, how do stores get things to sell? Workers manufacture things. It's a word you need to know well. Manufacture means to make things. It could be anything at all. People manufacture books and swings. They manufacture toys and balls. What things in this picture are manufactured?
So what do you think? What's manufactured in this picture? You said everything? You're basically correct. Everything I see in this room was manufactured except for one, and that's the sunlight coming through the window. Things that are in nature are not manufactured, but everything inside here was manufactured.
Hector is a blacksmith and is pounding red-hot metal. He might manufacture a horseshoe or perhaps a tea kettle. People have manufactured things for a long, long time. It used to be dangerous work with lots of dirt and grime. What do you think this man is making?
What is this man making? I'm not sure. I know that blacksmiths work with metal, so a horseshoe is a good guess. Could also be making a hook or something along those lines, but I'm not sure.
For thousands of years, people made and used tools. They learned to use them at home and then in schools. As time goes on, our tools get better and faster. Now we make things out of metal, wood, or plaster. The computer is a tool that is quite unique. It does so many things, it can even speak. The person using it decides what it will do. In manufacturing, its jobs are far from few. From typing documents and counting numbers, computers keep people from making blunders. Do you have a computer? What do you use it for?
I have a computer. Most people do these days. You can answer email, you can do your schoolwork. I'm even editing this video on a computer.
Jimmy is working on a new product design, manufacturing a light to sparkle and shine. People who manufacture things may be called engineers. They design new robots and machines that work with motors and gears. There's one type of manufacturing that is new. 3D printing is the name, and it is a breakthrough. Most tools in the past made things by subtracting, but additive is different. There is no fracturing. Objects are built one layer at a time, from files on a computer, line by line. In order to manufacture the things you can buy, the brain is the most important tool. Do you know why? It is used to understand the world around us. Being good at STEM is worth all the fuss. STEM is short for science, technology, engineering, and math. All of it is important in the smart manufacturing craft. The factory is home for machines and the place of production. This book will show you how it works. Just a brief introduction. What do you see in this picture? What do you think they are doing?
What is going on in this picture? What do you think? It looks like some sort of machine with a robotic arm is putting something in this box. And then it moves on this belt through this machine, and the box ends up being sealed. That's pretty neat.
Machines make hundreds of bottles in a minute or less. Making them fast and good is all part of the process. Machines help make prices lower so everyone can afford. Things like the first automobiles made by Henry Ford. This conveyor moves cheese boxes to the taping machine. These moving roads make the job fast, quiet, and clean. But lifting cheese boxes all day is hard for one person. If he has an injury, it will certainly worsen. Could there be a better possibility with more machines added to the facility?
Do you think there's a better way? Probably. I know what my back always hurts when I have to lift a lot of heavy boxes. There probably is a better way. What do you think?
Hanging from the ceiling rails are robots named Monkey See and Monkey Do. These monkey machines do the job until it is through. All robots are made to make jobs easier. They move fast, so the stores in town are quite cheesier. Smart manufacturing like this is here to stay, and you might control Monkey Do someday. Moving boxes around the factory takes a lot of time on forklifts. The drivers work for hours for 1 or even 2 shifts. To get the job done, people work all night and day. Think hard. Do you think there might be a better way? A mobile robot to the rescue. The humans named it Scoot. It is just like a machine, but everyone thinks it's pretty cute. Scoot uses sensors that act as its eyes. Then it decides the right path and really flies. Scoot never gets tired and works all night. And believe it or not, Scoot doesn't need a light. The modern technology is quite handy. Here, Scoot gets instructions from warehouse clerk Sandy. Sandy controls the device to keep Scoot on track, and Scoot never gets tired to bring the right boxes back. People and robots make a great team. Working together is a wonderful dream. In smart manufacturing, each does what is best. People do the thinking, and robots do the rest. Why is thinking so important?
Why is thinking important? That's exactly right. Thinking gives us the answers to our problems. It's our imagination. And with our imaginations, anything is possible. So of course thinking's important.
People are figuring out how to make factories run like an app. So, customers order products, and they are manufactured just like that. Maybe Jada's job will be making unique products just for them, using all the lessons she learned in STEM. Materials in good factories are neat and have perfect storing. Keeping things organized and clean is anything but boring. There are 5 rules we follow to do this right, so we know where everything is just by sight. Things in the warehouse are needed at the right time and the right place. If you have too much or too little, it won't match the space. It is important the space matches the material supply. Learn to do this in school, and it's as easy as pie. People are the most important part of any smart factory. They run the robots and machines to manufacture products, you see. Humans who manufacture should be good at writing and speaking. Creativity and teamwork are 2 more skills a boss is seeking. Sometimes things are made far away and travel by boat, plane, and truck. But if something unexpected happens, then we are out of luck. The stuff can't get to the stores and all the shelves are bare. We have to go without buying new things to use and wear. If a place doesn't have manufacturing, it's hard to create wealth. A city without it is like a person in bad health. The money manufacturing makes stays in the community, bringing jobs for the people and providing lots of opportunity. So now, Everyone knows manufacturing is important and denies it no longer. Manufacturing is coming back to our country and it's making us stronger. Every day, new factories are making more stuff, so we never run out and we have more than enough. When we manufacture close to home, the shops have everything we use, from cars and toys to baby food and brand new shoes. It also supplies our brave armed forces all the things they need with many backup sources. Manufacturing means using the best tools ever invented to make perfect things, every mistake prevented. Manufacturing where we live is the best for many reasons. We have what we need for each and every season. What is this machine doing?
All right, what do you think? What's that machine doing? Let's take a look. This looks just like the box one. They're on a belt. The bottles are going through the machine. Looks like this one is filling out, maybe it's a water bottle, and when they come out of here, they have the labels on. So many uses for these machines.
Together, we can make manufacturing really smart. Learning about Monkey and Scoot is just the start. Like his mama, Roberto may work in the supply chain or program robots so humans have less of a pain. Did you like what you learned? What do you say? Will you work in smart manufacturing one day?
So, what do you think? Could you see yourself working in manufacturing someday? Do you like solving problems? Or do you like robots? If so, smart manufacturing might just be for you. As you were reading, were you able to figure out what makes smart manufacturing smart? It's people. It's people just like you and I. It's people who code the robots to move throughout the factory. It's people who design and program the machines. It's people who imagine the products and bring those ideas to life. If that sounds something that excites you, then here's your challenge. Use your imagination. Go out there and create and build and solve problems. You can visit your local library. A lot of libraries have makerspaces, and in those makerspaces are all the materials that you need to bring all your ideas to life. You can join the robotics team at your local school, or even you can play with STEM products at your house, or you can go on programs like Scratch or Scratch Junior to build different animations and video games. Just get out there. Just remember, your ideas belong in this world, so go out and build them. Thanks for joining me.